Chat with the chair umpire. That's a snip.
Reminders, 25 seconds between points. We don't have a visible shot clock, but it's the same procedure. I will tell you if you go over. And as usual on clay, if you want to stop, stop clearly. And I will check the mark, okay? Questions? Svetlana, this is heads, this is tails.
Heads.
Heads. Tails, Timea. Receive. Have a good match.
Oh yeah, that's a great lob. Kuznetsova quick to acknowledge. Have another look at this. Brings her in with the slice drop shot, and then the beauty on the backhand, and it's a thumbs up. Bacsinszky with a beautiful drop shot. Gives herself another opportunity to serve out the first set. She leads 6-5. The sit down. Oh, she gets a huge slice of luck off the net cord. And it's a slice of luck that brings her the first set. Little raise of the eyebrows to her corner, puff of the cheeks, but Bacsinszky has drawn first blood in this second round match against Svetlana Kuznetsova. She's taken the first set, 7-5. Going down the line, that's an absolutely cracking forehand from Svetlana Kuznetsova.
Use.
Yeah, nicely done, the return. Hands at the break of serve. And there it is, another tamely given back by Bacsinszky. Kuznetsova won't be complaining though.
New balls please, ball change. 2 games solved. Game and second set, Kuznetsova.
Kuznetsova takes the second set.
1 set all.
And takes us to a decider. 6-3 the scoreline in the second set. Kuznetsova slowly makes her way to the chair. It's a 1-set shootout for a place in the quarterfinals. Yeah, nicely done.
30 all.
Pointing that as well. Yeah, well done. Kuznetsova gets the break of serve in this third set. And she leads 2-1. Kuznetsova comes up with a big first serve to take it at the first time of asking.
5-7, 6-3, 6-4.
And she comes to the net to hug her opponent. And she has come from behind to win in 3 sets and reach her first WTA quarterfinal since Washington in August last year, a tournament she went on to win, and she'll be hoping that that repeats itself here in southern Switzerland. But Kuznetsova, the wild card, into the quarterfinal. She's beaten the home girl Bacsinszky in 3 sets, 5-7, 6-3, 6-4, the final score.